You want to print a chain, no CAD software, no account, no sign up, right in your browser. That's exactly what the chain generator on lern-digital.to/3D is for, a library with 537 parametric 3D generators. Today we look at the highlight, the chain generator, completely free, completely browser-based, completely yours. Let's start with the templates. 26 presets ready to go for jewelry, keychains, phone wraps, industrial drag chains, and even complete Flexi figures. One click and the chain stands in your viewport, ready to customize. Now the core, the joints. The default is Capsule, my verified Linka master from Fusion CAD. This one works. Print in place, assembled straight from the printer, no screw pins, no post-processing. Tested, printed, worn. There are 12 more joint types in beta, ball socket, pin hinge, cone hinge, and 9 others. All have Fusion CAD models and pass the in-browser motion test. But honestly, the final print verification is still pending for most. If you try them out, please share feedback. For safe production, stick with Capsule. You can switch joint types per link, mix and match via dropdown. The live collision check verifies print readiness automatically. As soon as 2 links sit too close together, you get a red warning with the exact distance in millimeters. Green banner means print ready. Paths, 9 different path types, from straight line through Bezier to serpentine and custom. With custom, you draw points right in the viewport. The chain follows your contour. Need more freedom? Tinker mode on. In append mode, you snap links onto the tip per click. The tangent is computed automatically, perfect continuity. In free place mode, you drag links anywhere in the viewport with snap to bed. Per link transform on all 3 axes via keyboard or gizmo. Control Z for undo up to 50 steps. Control Y to redo, all in the browser. No server. Materials. 7 presets built in from PLA and PETC to TPU and resin, plus a custom slot for exotic filaments. Each material with its own tolerances, bend limits, and shrinkage values. The generator validates live. Does your chain fit your filament? Are the print-in-place gaps wide enough? Printer profiles. 8 Bambu printers pre-configured, from A1 mini up to H2C. Each with its own build volume, AMS slot count, speed limit, and dual nozzle status. The generator checks, does your chain fit on the bed? Do you have enough AMS slots for your color pattern? Before you even open a slicer. Clasps for finished jewelry. 6 clasp types built in from lobster claw to magnetic cap, automatically positioned at start and end. Switch via drop-down, preview in real time. And then the showstoppers, 24 quick add parts. Hearts, stars, crowns, lightning bolts, skulls, pick what fits. Click to place on each chain link. Per part, its own scale, rotation, color override, mirror, snap to bed, duplicate. All live in 3D. A plain chain becomes a personalized keychain, necklace, or phone charm in seconds. Multicolor printing, 8 AMS patterns built in from solid to rainbow, plus custom with your own link-to-color mapping. Each pattern with a live waste estimation, how much filament gets lost during color changes. Block 4 instead of alternating, 5 times more efficient. The generator suggests it for you. Export. SDL per link or as a complete chain. OBJ, GLB, and PNG render for Etsy listings. 3MF for Bambu Studio with automatic AMS slot assignment. One click, the ZIP lands in your downloads. You drop it into the slicer. AMS colors are pre-assigned. Print. Quick cut. If the voice sounds familiar, it's not from an expensive cloud service. It's Piper, a free open source model running locally on my machine. If you ever need a real AI phone assistant for your business, for appointments, customer calls, reservations, 24/7, check out Talura.app. My second project, easy to set up, fair pricing, back to the chain. Photo Drape, you upload an image, the generator traces the outline and lays the chain along the contour. Your logo becomes a draped chain, a word becomes chain letters. Kitbash, import your own SDL or OBJ files as charms, multi-file upload. Each piece with its own transform, mirror, floor snap, color. Your entire Bambu print library turns into a charm library. Use cases already running, Etsy jewelry with per customer personalized initials. Keychains as branded merchandise. Print-on-demand pet collars. Industrial drag chains for CNC machines, 3D printers, and robotics. Phone charms for concerts and conventions. And the classic, full Flexi animals built from the Flex Human Link Master. Everything free. Everything in the browser. Everything without an account. Everything is your own print data. One click and you're in lern-digital.to/3D. The chain generator button is right on the front page. My entire 3D super generator is waiting for you. 537 generators. A whole world to print. Go make something.